If you want to add a photo gallery to your GoDaddy website builder, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the whole process step by step so you can create a clean, professional-looking gallery that shows off your photos beautifully. Whether you're building a portfolio, a business website, a personal brand page, or an online store, a photo gallery is one of the easiest ways to make your site look more polished and engaging. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your GoDaddy website builder and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Once you're inside the editor, go to the exact page where you want your gallery to appear. This part matters because you want the gallery to be placed in the right spot on the page, whether that's on your home page, about page, services page, or a dedicated gallery page. Take a moment to scroll through your page layout and decide where the photos will look best. Now hover your mouse over the page until you see the plus button or the add section option appear. This is how you insert new content into your GoDaddy site. Go ahead and click it, and a panel should open on the right side of your screen. In that panel, use the search bar and type Photo Gallery. If you don't see that exact option right away, you can also browse through the image or media categories until you find something like Image Gallery. Once you find the Gallery section, you'll usually see a few layout options available. These might include a simple static grid, a tiled layout, a carousel, or a rotating slideshow style. Think about the kind of look you want for your website. If you want visitors to see multiple images at once, a grid is a great choice. If you want a more dynamic look, a slideshow can work really well. When you find the layout you like, click Add to place it on your page. After the gallery has been added, it's time to replace the placeholder images with your own photos. Click on the New Gallery section so the Settings panel opens on the right. Most of the time, you'll see default images already loaded in the section. These are just sample images, so you'll want to remove them before uploading your own content. Look for the option that says Remove All Images and click it to clear out the stock photos. Now you're ready to upload your own media. Click the plus button or the Add Image button, depending on what your version of the editor shows. From here, GoDaddy usually gives you a few different ways to add images. You can drag and drop files directly from your computer, upload them from your device, or choose from GoDaddy's royalty-free stock image library if you want to mix in some extra visuals. If you're using your own photos, make sure they're high quality and properly sized so the gallery looks sharp and professional. Once your images are uploaded, you can organize them in the order you want. This part is very useful because the sequence of your gallery can change the way visitors experience your page. Simply click and drag the thumbnails into the position you want. You can put your strongest photo first, arrange images by category, or create a natural flow from one image to the next. Take your time here, because a well-organized gallery can make a big difference in how polished your website feels. After the photos are in place, you can usually make a few final adjustments, depending on the layout you chose. You may be able to change spacing, alignment, image size, or how the gallery behaves on desktop and mobile. Review those settings carefully so the gallery looks good on every device. If anything feels too crowded or too small, tweak it until it looks balanced and easy to view. A little adjustment goes a long way. When everything looks right, preview your page to make sure the gallery displays exactly how you want it to. Check that the images load properly, the order looks correct, and the section fits naturally with the rest of your website design. If all looks good, hit Publish so your changes go live. And that's it. You've successfully added a photo gallery to your GoDaddy website builder. It's a simple process, but it can really improve the look and feel of your site. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.